Let's go! Yes! About to go skeet shooting. Alright, we're about to hit the sand mountain and shoot some skeet, baby. Ooh. About to go skeet shooting.
Feelings. Give us some
By God. By God, brother. Oh, golly Bumgarner. We're going skeet shooting, brother. Hey, gotta protect the ears, baby. Dad.
We're skeet.
We're gonna get some skeet. We're shooting some skeet here, boys.
You wanna go shoot watermelons?
Hey, skeet shooting and watermelon shooting. It's a good one.
People
Did you check it?
No,
you gotta listen to it. That's how you know.
I'm gonna have my 38 check it.
All right, we're good. So it gets the job done. Skeet shooting.
Set up a pie.
Fruit shoot. Look at all these fruit. Eat your fruits. Eat your veggies. But we're gonna shoot them. We got it all. We got it all. We're shooting water jugs, Coke. We getting some Coke?
Yeah,
We're getting Coke. You only shoot it, don't drink it.
Let's take some shots of Coke.
All right.
At Coke.
Take some shots at Coke. I'm dripping water, Aquafina. Hey, we got the whole brigade. It's about to go down. Sand Mountain. Skeet shooting, by God. My man said, sign this waiver just in case you shoot somebody or somebody shoots you. That way you don't get mad at me. Oh, snap.
When'd you get this?
I bought it a couple months ago.
You already broke it?
Oh, I got your
Mine sounds sick.
Who is it? All that.
I'm gonna take a shot with the 50s, see what it's like. You want to?
Holy crap.
Hold on, let me get my ear.
Desert Eagle.
Hang on. Oh yeah, give me a minute.
Oh my.
That's why we bought all that produce.
Bruh.
I shot a 50 cal.
Like, this is something you do curls with.
That's a rifle.
Hey, this is something you do curls with.
Yeah,
like,
right?
You don't want to get shot by any gun, but that Desert Eagle's gonna put you to sleep way too.
This is gonna be awesome.
All right.
Jeremy, got a melon down there.
Dang.
Careful. Yeah, it's ready to go when you pull the trigger. Shoot. Don't put your hand. Yeah, you're good. Just don't put it behind the slide. Keep it down under this.
Oh. Fire in the hole. Bruh, y'all, this Desert Eagle right here is something crucial. It'll kick you back. If you never shot one, you better be ready for that junk to be right. Here you go, brother. We're out here skeet shooting, by God. We got competition. We got Daniel and Bruce. Oh. How about that? That looked pretty good.
Person come at us there for a second.
This is your safety. Push it forward. You're ready to go. You can pull the trigger twice.
Safety forward, and I'm good to shoot.
Yeah, and I'm gonna hand it to you, ready to go.
Okay,
So
we're ready to go here. Oh, snap!
all right, you still got a bullet.
Okay, I'm here. Sorry, I get excited. Oh, we're gonna do it. We do it up?
Yeah,
All right, let's do it. Bro, man, first time ever skeet shooting, by God. I hit both of them. Let's go. Shout out to my coach Bruce though. He coached me up the right way. Man, look at the arm on that quarterback.
This right here gonna fly away.
All right. Oh.
Ooh, birdie.
Gang, gang.
Now, you take this and squeeze it.
As I push the bullet down?
No. Now put the bullet in.
Boom.
Nope, the other way.
Boom. What? Boom. This is a tag team situation. This is where,
No, you can do it by yourself.
this is where teamwork works. Yeah, it did not hit. Come on, Bruce.
Down and to the right.
You gotta step closer, man.
See what we got. Oh, snap. Let's go. Anybody hungry for some watermelon? Not eating that. That must be crazy. So Bruce just shot this watermelon with a Desert Eagle.
That's how you open the watermelon right there.
Oh, you want to try some too?
Go on.
Look, next thing you know, his guts are gonna be all in them bushes somewhere.
My gut, my wish.
He said that's my wish. Go ahead, Jack. Have you some. Yeah, get you a bite.
Oh god.
Yeah, get you a little of that.
Don't taste bad.
That's good stuff, right?
Yeah, I bet it is. I'd like to see what your stomach says about that here in a little bit. You can hear that one in my ears. Lord have mercy.
Here, watch what you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I hate to be the guy that end the game already.
No, go ahead. End it. Yeah, ended it.
Chewing this gum hard as heck too. Oh!
That's all you got.
You're on camera. Oh!
No.
Oh, you get on camera now, everything gets easier. Alright. Oh! Let's go! Bro, he just blew up a whole pineapple. That was cool.
That wasn't even ours, actually.
Oh my gosh! Bro, let's get, bro. You are cold, by the way. Let's go. We're out here blowing stuff up and everything. This is crazy, like for real. Let's go!
That's pretty cool.
Yes! We're whipping the forward. Hey, back to life. Oh.
Dirt bike four-wheeling.
But every time I come around, the seasons change. Every time I come around, they need a drain.
Y'all see what's going on? I'm whipping this forward, baby. Even though it's a Yamaha, it's definitely a forward. Yeah, for sure. Oh, the door's open. I'm a daredevil. You would not believe this man cave. Oh, we got a code. Hold on. that didn't work the way I wanted it to work. No, we ain't showing the code. Oh, all right, let's do this. Y'all just wait till you see him here. Look what we got. Boom. I mean, pool tables, TVs. What's that, like a mini bar? What do you call that, mini bar? Kegerator. We got a kegerator, mini bar. You can come work out, play ping pong, go to the bathroom if you need it. You never know when you need the porta john. Oh, we got an upstairs. Y'all thought we were done. I mean, is this a tanning bed?
It is.
Come on, man. He's got a tanning bed up here. Hey, I respect it.
What do you have to say?
Oh, you know what the difference between a man and a boy is, don't you?
No, but you're about to tell me.
Price of the toy.
All right. All right. I appreciate every single one of y'all watching. You see my new microphone here with the extension. Shooting was awesome up here in Sand Mountain. Hey, is this like called something? Is this like a, what is it? Ider what? Ider, Alabama. Never been here, but it was awesome. I appreciate you, Daniel.
I heard in Southern California it don't rain. But every time I come around, the seasons change.
We're here at Carter Shooting Supply.
I got my ring. That's on my name. I put that on my name. So much chain, yeah, I put that on my chain.
Oh yeah, it's about to go down, y'all. I'm about to go grab that Draco. Y'all already know what it is.
In the line, switching lines, split and drain, yeah.
Go ahead. Introduce yourself.
I'm Taylor.
Yeah, look, there's Mama. She's working.
This is just a standard AR-15 core brand. Mag bullet. All right. To load it, you're just going to load the mag up, pull that back, let it go, and put one in. There's your safety right there. Yeah, go ahead. This is your Weatherby 12 gauge, just a standard semi-automatic. Okay. All right.
This far in my eyes. Why is it so loud? What's that?
It's a charger.
Holy crap, bruh! I'm ready. Oh, I'm up. Headshots. Ooh.
Pop the magazine in, hit that, and it'll charge it full. Push it in. Just pop it, it'll and it's live.
And put the crosshair on the circle.
That's pretty cool. I don't know what I'm doing. So you good? You're fine. Woo! My little young guy right here.
Oh, yeah.
Shooting the Draco. He's dead.
Hold up a second.
Oh, I'm cold.
Yeah.
Oh, come on now. All right. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all something. Let me show you something. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. It gets kind of cringy, like when I'm on like everybody's like watching. I'm just talking to a camera that's not live.
Right.
I might even put that on there.
Hey, we gotta have a blooper reel.
Look at this guy. No rapid fire. I just rapid fired on accident. Oh shoot. Y'all see the way she did that? All them holes were already up. Which one did you hit?
All of that.
The cardboard?
All
She
of
hit the cardboard. Right there. Y'all, he had no chance. Look at him. He's dead.
He's dead.
Like, dead. I don't like that one. Successful day of shooting. However, I'm better than this girl. Ooh, I guess I'm not, and I thought that was against the rules, but I guess when you own the place, you do what you want, right?
True.
Look at her, folks. Look at her styling. She's shot in this whole outfit. She's got on booties. Booties. Hey, if you're in the Chattanooga area, make sure you come down to Carter Shooting Supply. Unload. All right, get some freaking guns, some bullets. Come over here and have an awesome time. It was amazing. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave a comment below. I appreciate all y'all watching. Can't wait to shoot the next vlog. If you haven't grabbed some Back to Life merch, make sure you do that. I got my new microphone. I hope y'all enjoy. Peace.
No-brainer. You got your mind on loose. Go hard and watch the sunrise. One night will change you.